Hey guys, if you have worked with C++, then you must watch this video till the end. In this video, I'll show you why we call C++ as an superset of C language and C as a subset of C++, because every valid statement of C language is a valid statement of C++ too. That's why C++ is an superset of C language, or we can say C++ is the extension of C language. So to understand this particular concept more in detail, let's move on to C free ID. Hey guys, this is our C free ID, and today the example what I'm going to explain you will really blow your mind. I'll take the example of swapping of two numbers a and b. So here I'll take two variables a and b and one variable temp, because swapping of two numbers means exchanging values of a and b. Means a value should be shifted to b and b value should be shifted to a. And for that we are taking help of one extra variable, that is temp. So here my focus is not to explain the logic, but my focus is to explain you how you can mix C and C++ statements both in C++ program. Okay, so this is a C++ program, and the program name what I have given is superset.cpp. You can see in the title bar. Now I'll say cout and I'll say enter value for a. Means I'm reading the value of a, but I'm not writing C in statement. I'll say scanf %d comma ampersand of a. Okay, so this is the complete rare combination. The input statement is from C++ and the output statement is from C++ and input statement is from C language. Now here I'll say printf enter value for b. Okay, and here I won't write scanf. I'll say C in and I'll read the value of b. Okay, and now I'll say temp equals to a. The value of a I'm assigning to temp. Then I'll say a equals to b. B value is assigned to a, and then I'll say b equals to temp. So after swapping the numbers, means exchanging values from a and b, now I'll say printf /n a is %d comma a, and I'll put semicolon here, and the b statement means the other statement I'll write like this, cout, and I'll say b is, and I think we don't require any format specifier here, so I'll directly display the value of b. And I want this particular line to be printed in the next line, so what I'll do is I'll use /n here. Okay, so let's run the program and check. If there is any error, we'll correct it, otherwise let's move. Enter value for a, I'll say 10. Enter value for b, I'll say 20. And guys, we got a value as 20 and b value as 10. Now let me know, by looking at the output of the program or by looking at the program execution, can anybody tell whether C language syntax is used or C++ syntax is used? So whether you write program in C or C++, the output is one and the same. And I keep on saying every time that languages may come and go, but the logic will remain forever. And the main objective of this program is to explain you that every valid statement of C language is a valid statement of C++ too. That's why C++ is known as superset of C language. Let me know in the comments below this video that how did you like this program, and have you practiced C++ by mixing C and C++ statements earlier? If not, then let me know in the comments that you have tried this example or not. Thank you so much, and wait for my next interesting video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe, like the video if you really love it, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys.